Have you ever wondered how your data is being by artificial intelligence? In a world where AI is a part of our lives, data privacy never been more critical. The question is only about how AI our data, but how it protects it today. We'll deep into the complex between AI and data. This topic affects from tech giants everyday users like you me. Let's how AI impacts our privacy and what security we face. First, discuss what data privacy means. Data privacy to how personal information collected, stored, shared. With AI collecting vast amounts of, how do we that our personal information kept safe? AI be a double-edged sword. On hand, machine learning can help organizations improve services, like personalized and fraud detection. On the other, technologies can also pose threats to our privacy. Think about it, hey, you share your information, who really has access to it? Now, let's examine some real-world examples of AI impacting data privacy. Consider social platforms. They use AI algorithms to analyze user behavior, preferences, and location data. This information is then used for targeted advertising. While it leads to more relevant ads, it also raises questions about consent and control over data. Next, we have AI in healthcare. AI systems can patient data to provide better diagnoses and treatments. However, what happens to medical information once it's shared with these systems? It's vital to ensure healthcare providers use strict data protection protocols. Many organizations are turning to regulations GDPR to address these concerns. This regulation enforces strict guidelines on how data should be handled. Let's also discuss the steps companies can take to data privacy while using AI. First, transparency is key. Organizations should inform about what data is collected and how it's used. Second, minimization is crucial. Collect only the data that's necessary for the intended. The less data collected, the lower the risk of potential breaches. Next, we need robust security measures. Encrypting data and using advanced methods can protect sensitive information. AI can help detect anomalies in data and usage, flagging potential breaches before they become serious issues. Now let's explore how individuals can take control of their own data privacy. By reviewing privacy settings on your devices and online accounts. Use strong passwords. Consider using password managers to keep your accounts safe. Be cautious about what you share online. Every bit of data you provide can be used for against you. Additionally, familiarize yourself with privacy tools and services. Are many browsers and search engines that prioritize user privacy and do not track your. As a community, we need to advocate for stronger data privacy laws. Raise awareness about the importance of data privacy in your groups and discussions. The more we talk about it, the more accountable companies will be. Summary: the intersection of AI and data privacy is a complex but vital field. It's essential to stay informed, take proactive steps, and demand accountability. Organizations navigating these challenges can empower us to protect our personal information effectively. If you find this topic interesting, imagine the power of data knowledge combined with coding skills. Let's think of simple code that can help data privacy risks. For instance, a Python script could help check the of passwords or GDPR compliance. Such tools can guide individuals and organizations, ensuring that their data practices are responsible. As we navigate complex landscape, we must stay vigilant about our data privacy. The impact AI on our daily lives is undeniable. Let's continue this conversation in the below. What are your thoughts on AI and data privacy? You found this video useful? Please like and share it with your friends. Together, we can build a safer online environment for everyone. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting your privacy. Thanks for watching.